All right, so this person says, how does one clean up my apartment reported me and it's of course sabotaging me. So we're talking about your third party reports. Of course, a lot of people know about TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, but they fail to acknowledge the some people call it the third party bureau, some people call them the secondary bureaus, whatever you call them. Sometimes an eviction or a negative item may not show on the main credit reporting agencies, but you have several different reports. If you are trying to fight an eviction and get an eviction off of your record so you can get approved for an apartment or townhome or wherever you're moving to, you need to pull these reports. LexisNexis, CoreLogic, Experian Rent Bureau, TransUnion Smart Move, Equifax Tenant Screening, and Innovis. Innovis is also known as the fourth bureau. They used to hold the same weight as the other three, and then they kind of fell back just a little bit, but they still exist. SageStream is on this list, but LexisNexis and SageStream has merged. So when you're cleaning up your LexisNexis report, that is also going to assist you with your SageStream report. So what you're going to do is you're going to send the request, because all credit reporting agencies have to give you at least one free report yearly. You're going to pull that request. You're going to take a look at the report and see what's on there. LexisNexis has different reports that they have on you. They have one for your driving record, which determines how much you pay for your car insurance and your monthly premium. I clean those for my clients. That helps them from having to pay such a high monthly amount for their car insurance. They also have, of course, things for bankruptcy and several other things. They basically search public record, compile it in a report, which they sell to not only the bureaus, but creditors who are, looking for that information. So whether accept or deny your applications or market to you. That's how they make money. So what you're going to do, step one, is to submit a request either by mail or you can go online. Some of these you may have to mail it in. LexisNexis, you can submit online and then they send you something in the mail with a pen and you pull it up to get your report. The first time I got my LexisNexis report, it was some years ago and it was like 180 pages. Like they had old emails, addresses, so much information that I didn't even know. They knew more about me than I knew about myself. So you're going to pull those reports, review them, and then you're going to dispute anything on there that is inaccurate. Same rules apply to personal information on your main bureau reports. You only want one name variation in your current address only. You want to completely clean that report out. Of course, if you're challenging evictions, you're going to challenge the eviction that is reporting, look for the inaccuracies, and send a dispute letter. I do have a DIY kit for, I call it the Clean Slate. It is $197, or I do offer services where I clean up your secondary bureaus for you. That's a flat rate of $697. So if you have any questions, please drop them. But these are the bureaus that you will need to pull so that you can get that eviction off of your credit report or background.